What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Ricky, and I'm back with another video for you guys. And in today's video, we finna put this new unit on my hair with my locks. I'm gonna show y'all how I put my wigs over my locks. This is like my, I don't know, I want to say my 4th or 5th time restarting my locks, and this time I just like them way better, and you'll see the growth. Like, anyways, how y'all been? It's been a minute since the last video, but we're back with the next video. So already took out the box, everything got out the packaging. I already pre-plugged it because I needed to pre-plug it because I'm gonna show you how I put this on. I'm gonna get that out the way. But like I said, I got this unit, this 16-inch 99J blunt cut bob. What? Bob? 3x6 with an elastic antique adjuster from yours truly, Chante hair extensions. I will put all her stuff right down here so I can go check it out, and I'll put in the description to her website because she has a hair on there, y'all. If y'all follow her social media, she be having different hair colors. I recently seen she got the bobs, y'all, in different colors, and y'all know it's summertime. It's summertime. It's time to come out with the color. But anyways, let's go ahead and get this video because it is currently like 3 o'clock in the morning, and I'm up to do my hair. We're gonna put the strap on first. Pull this over. But I still wanna party. Big feel like I'm ready to bend. I'm a 10, so I pull in a 10. Like Gabby, Stacy, okay. This kind of shit with that band in there, no. I feel like my head is too big. I'm watching this bitch, I'm up in a scene now. Like I'm ready to bend. All the fake Barbies just wanna pretend. Like, oh, let me go find me a pen. Wearing lead, now I'ma put it to bed. She a Barbie bitch with her Barbie clip. I keep dragging her so she pulled a bit. And I see the bread, I want all of it. And I want the green, so I all of it. And I throw it back, so he losing it. And I use the box with no shoes in it. Yeah, I know the trick, so I got him rigged. It ain't over it, yeah, Barbie bitch. And I'm bad like the Barbie. I'm a doll, but I still wanna party. Pink felt like I'm ready to bend. I'm a 10, so I pull in a 10. Like Jazzy, Stacy, all of the Barbies is pretty. All of the Barbies is bad. Girls, and we can play tag. I'm probably, when I let this band for an hour, I'm gonna go chill in the room. I ain't gonna lie. It's too hot right now. Now, we banned for Alright, YouTube, I'm back. When I let it ban for an hour, I took a nap at the same time. So, like, it was currently 4, or no, 5 when I got done. But it's currently 7, so, like, I only slept for an hour. Y'all, why I cut myself though? It's I'm trying to take off this excess glue on my forehead. It just seems like a lot of glue. Okay, right now. No, it's okay.
get the style parted out, that would be cool. Just so I would be ready. Oh, it's hot. Once everybody start getting up, everybody into the house. Let me hurry up. That's the only part that be so tedious, y'all. You gotta making sure that these are good. Don't come at mine. Yes, it's dirty.
Listen, wait me, bagels.
Baby, what you wanna do? I'm ready to pull up on you. I'm ready to do what I do. This type shit have you wildin'. Last minute shit to the highest. Drip, drip, drip when you sliding. Flip, 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 baby, ride it. Don't hesitate when you take me 'cause you know I like it. Taking up a date for you. Sweet baby, like it when you bite it. Can't just keep talking about it. We think too often about it. Can't just be cautious about it. I wanna get wild. Take me for a ride, boy. Show me you outside, boy. Know it's been a while, boy. I wanna get wild. I wanna drive you crazy. Pull up and tell me, babe. Fucking it up like Lucy days. Ain't no way then but to maze. Don't be developing that shit like you're lazy. I need you to roll up in that shit like you're
Do y'all see this? Do y'all see this? I'm giving y'all up close, no flair.
Can't just be cautious about it. I wanna get wild.
y'all be on the days. I love it. The hot coffee, yes. I like the hot coffee. This is flyways. Y'all go shop. I'm telling y'all, this is cute. This whole curl is real good. I didn't really want to do too much with the curl. I'm trying to let my mom do it. I mean, you can see the legs, but I'm not gonna hide the fact that I got a wig on. Hopefully y'all enjoyed this video. Make sure y'all leave a like and y'all go check out her stuff. It's gonna be down here once again and in the description below. I'll give this unit I'm gonna brush these out. I ain't gonna count.
Like damn, she in her mood. Like damn, she in her mood. Like damn, she in her mood. Like damn,
I'll give this.
She lit, your money too. Like damn, she in her mood.
I'll give this a 9. I ain't gonna count. It's soft.
And you packing out nobody's
I like
a rapper but don't got a chance. Sucking my waist all over my beams. Like a million views in a day. There's so many ways to get paid.
9.5. I give it a 9.5. It's straight, soft,
in the party, he just wanna romp.
real good. It holds a curl.
She a baddie, she knows she a 10. She a baddie with her baddie friend.
And it's secure. Let me tell you, this fit my head perfect.
She mad 'cause I'm taking her spot. If I was bitches, I'd hate me a lot. Like damn, she in her mood. 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 She lit, your money too. Like damn, she in her mood.
But I hope y'all enjoyed and y'all like it. Now I'm gonna go ahead and get ready for the day.
The baddest.
Yeah, this is